gotta open them.
Sorry, Riley gave up.
Oh, she's doing it. She's doing it. These ones are empty. Look. Riley doesn't understand. Riley, come here. Look, look, look. Look. Mmm. Go open some more. Go find them. Zara, wait. Zara, wait. Riley, wait.
Sorry, just breaks them.
Oh, she did. Shattered this one. Riley did it. Good girl, Riley. Good girl. Look what she did to this one. Riley. Good girl. Now they get it.
Finally got it, girls. Riley,
Sorry, it's gone.
she broke that one too. Is that all of them?
No, they've still got a ton that they haven't even. She's so good at this. Oh, there's still one over here in the blinds. Riley. Good girl. You got it. Good girl. Can you go get another one? Well, now there's no need to intentionally shatter them. You two are good at this. Zara. Zara, look. You got the treat. You got, look, honey, look. There you go. Zara. Zara. They're just popping them. There's one green one. Riley, look. Get this one.
There's a blue one too.
Oh, yeah. Look, Riley. Zara. Zara. Zara May, come here. Oh, Riley got it. Oh, well, that was fun. Hey, don't eat the plastic, Riley. So they destroyed most of them.
So I was trying to get in there.
This is why we have to buy new ones every year.
They're not very expensive.
No, we got a good deal on those. They're only $1.28. Oh yeah, we gotta give them the rockets. Who gets purple and who gets orange? I guess we'll do it like this.
Just sit it down.
Come here, Riley. Or just let them at each other. Don't you just tear that up, Zara.
She's playing with it.
Hey, don't shred it. It's brand new. There's no reason to start shredding everything. Are you excited? Hey, look in your basket. Here, honey, look. Here, look. Riley. Riley, look, honey.
Did you put anything in the column?
Yeah. Look.
She's like, oh. You girls have your own column.
Riley. Check out this ball. Look. Riley. They're used to a Kong. They know. She knows how to work a Kong. Riley, honey, look. Riley.
Can she smell the treats?
There we go. She's just like, oh man. Oh, you pushed it under the table. Yeah. See, she knows how to do a Kong. There's no trick to this one. Something on the. Here's our. Push it.
Zara's in your
Hey,
purse.
Zara. Oh, I forgot about the pig ears.
Oh, I thought you already gave them to them.
Well, they got two the day I got them.
Oh, Zara got the bone.
Riley is a master at that Kong.
Yeah.
Hey, baby, come here. And his favorite thing in the whole world.
The girls are so excited.
Here's our. They're so happy. No toys, the stuffing that they can, you know.
They empty their baskets.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
What?
The eggs that were in the hallway
Is there still some in
are in
there?
a bunch of little pieces.
We'll turn it off.